Hello, my name is Angel and I'm Firehouse Captain. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this week's assembly. This week's assembly will appear a little different as we are recording through Zoom. We hope you enjoy it. I will now read out the acknowledgement of country. We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we stand today and recognize their continuing connection to land, waters, and culture. We pay our respects to their elder, past, present, and emerging. Here is Nate.
Hello, my name is Nate and I'm the Earth House Captain. Good morning, everyone. It is now time for the national anthem. Please remove your hats and stand quietly with your hands behind your back. Please sing along in a strong voice and do not sit down until asked to. Thank you, everyone. Please sit down quietly. Here is Minat.
Hello, my name is Manette, and I am the Earth House Captain. Good morning, everyone. Each week, students can win a Commerce School Award for working really well, being kind, and trying their best. They might have demonstrated excellent engagement, submitted fantastic work, or helped out one of their peers online during remote learning. Here is Mr. Lacey to read out the awards.
Thank you, Manat. Hi, everyone. Congratulations to the following students. I'm just going to read out your names and your grades rather than reading out all the reasons, because this week we're going to try and send you your awards so you'll be able to see what you got your award for when that arrives in the post. So, from Prep, Misha from Prep A, Chase and Paige from Prep B, Ganav from Prep C, Benjamin Mora from Prep D, Ashwika from Prep E, Cooper from Prep F, Emma from Prep G, and Michael from Prep H. Our Year 1 recipients, Prisha from 1A, Katona from 1B, Bentley from 1C, Tavleen from 1D, Alexandra from 1E. Congratulations to those. Our Year 2 recipients, Ganeef from 2A, Mia from 2B, Shreya from 2C, Alice from 2D, Prisha from 2E, and Jaden from 2F. Well done to all of you. For our grade 3s, Eli in 3A, Ollie in 3B, Melissa in 3C, Brooklyn in 3D, and Brian from 3E. Great work, all of you. Our grade 4 recipients, Cleo from 4A, The whole class of 4B, so you've done really well. Congratulations, 4B. Javanch from 4C, Savannah from 4D, and Francis from 4E. Our grade 5 recipients, Jensen from 5A, Tatiana from 5B, Sophie from 5C, Yana from 5D, Daniel from 5E, and finally our grade 6 recipients, Miguel from 6A, Isabella from 6B, Mustafa from 6C, and last but not least, George from 6D. Congratulations to all of those people, and we will send those awards to you. So you'll be able to see what wonderful work you've been doing and why your teacher chose you to get your Cormorant Squawk Award this week. Well done.
Please give all our award winners a round of applause. Here is Kingston.
Hello, my name is Kingston, and I am the Firehouse Captain. Good morning, everyone. This week, we will be adding in a new segment, showcasing excellent work that students have been completing during remote learning. This week is the Grade 4's turn. Enjoy seeing some of the great work they have been doing from home.
Hi, my name is Kate, and I want to tell you about a new school that has just opened in Lyndhurst. It is the COVID-safe primary school. Check the rules.
Combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. And our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. And love is
Urgent message, Corona chaos. The world is in lockdown. COVID-19 has hit the planet hard. People are panic buying. Masks are mandatory, and there's no more toilet paper left. And homeschooling has begun. Parents are going crazy trying to teach. Children can't upload due to internet problems. Teachers are sick of students not listening on Zoom meetings. And Mr. Lacey's pulling out his hair because parents keep entering the school when they're not allowed to. Reasons why our school should come back. To learn face to face, see our friends, but teachers and students are responsible for keeping safe and healthy. Mask wearing for parents and students, especially when it's pick up and drop off. Clean your school bag and items with wipes before and after school. Wash hands with soap for 20 seconds. Keep social distancing from other teachers and students around the school. Sanitize your work area before you sit down and start. Make sure everyone that enters the school practices social distancing. Everyone to maintain personal hygiene, to be kind to others and help if required, to maintain excellent hygiene practices. If you have any symptoms, stay at home and get tested. Signing off for now, Cleo Stratiotis.
no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. And our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. And love is the answer, at least for most of the questions in my heart, like why are we here and where do we go and how come it's so hard? It's not always easy and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together.
Well done to the grade 4 students on such excellent work during remote learning. Here is Mr. Lacey for the principal to present the principal's report.
Hi everybody, good to see you again. I hope you're surviving in this new lockdown that we have. I've been getting great reports about you all from the teachers about how well you're committing to your learning and getting yourselves online and joining those Zoom meetings. And it's a very different world we're in, isn't it? I also got great reports from the teachers about the parent-teacher interviews last night and our student-led conversations and about the way you performed in those. So congratulations to you all for that. I'm just interested in having a chat to our student leaders about what they've been doing during lockdown, just to keep themselves busy. So I thought I'd ask them a couple of questions and we'll hear from them. Perhaps we'll talk to Manat first. I know you've been doing something interesting in the computer world. Manat, do you want to tell us about what you've been doing to keep yourself busy at home?
Well, I've been trying to make animations. And like at the moment I've made one animation. It's of this like girl just waving. So yeah.
So how many hours has it taken you just to get a girl waving on animation?
3.5 hours.
Wow, it's very complicated work, isn't it? Angel, you have a particular interest that you used to do outside of home, but now you need to do at home. What have you been doing?
I've been having to do online cheer.
Wow, cheerleading online. That's interesting. Tell us about that.
Well, we were supposed to, for our first competition for this year, we were supposed to do it online, but since of stage 4, we probably can't do that anymore.
Okay, so you're still trying to work out a way where you can do it during lockdown of stage 4.
Yeah.
Kingston, what have you been doing to keep yourself busy during lockdown 4?
During lockdown, I've been like playing outside with my brothers and like practicing playing basketball and stuff.
Okay, so you got a basketball ring in the backyard or the front driveway or something?
No, we just like have competitions and challenges.
Okay, good work. And Nate, what have you been doing to keep yourself busy?
I've been playing games and walking my dogs and just trying to help around the house.
Oh, that's very responsible of you, Nate. Good answer. Well done. All right, thanks everybody. That's the end of my report. Congratulations to everyone on the way you're doing your remote learning. I know this is a difficult time for everyone, but you've been wonderful for your families. I hope you're looking after mum and dad and little brothers and sisters as well. See you next week. Bye.
That concludes our assembly for today. Please enjoy your week and try your best to display the Lyndhurst values. Stay seated and follow your mom's and dad's directions.
All right, and a quick notification for everybody. Friday the 14th, Lyndhurst Primary School online pajama day. The SRC are running that, and we'll send you more information about that next week. Should be a really fun day. See you, everyone.